How to apply coconut oil under the eye area. As we age, the skin under our eyes becomes thinner and more delicate, allowing the blue veins beneath it to show through as dark, shadowy circles. Lack of sleep, stress, and long hours in front of computer and television screens also contribute to dark circles. But there's no need to spend money on expensive commercial creams when you can erase dark circles once and for all using do-it-yourself remedies for dark under-eye circles. We're about to tell you exactly how, but first take a look at the properties that make coconut oil such an effective treatment for dark under-eye circles. Is coconut oil good for dark circles under eyes? Coconut oil moisturizes the skin around eyes to prevent dryness and wrinkling. It penetrates quickly into the skin and rejuvenates. It contains vitamins and fatty acids that are essential to the growth of healthy skin cells. The vitamin E and antioxidants in it heal and repair damaged skin cells. It is anti-inflammatory, so it reduces redness and swelling. The lactic acid in it tightens pores to make skin smooth and firm. How to use coconut oil to fade dark under-eye circles. Coconut oil can be used alone or in combination with other natural ingredients that keep skin healthy, firm, smooth, and bright. Try all the methods below until you find the one that works best for you. 1. Coconut oil. Wash face with mild cleanser and warm water and pat dry. Apply extra virgin coconut oil on clean under-eye skin before going to bed. Massage very gently in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions for few minutes. Leave on overnight. In the morning, rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Repeat nightly at least a week to notice the difference. 2. Coconut oil, potato, and cucumber. Potato contains natural bleaching agents, and cucumber tightens pores to keep skin firm and smooth. Peel and chop a cucumber and a potato. In blender, mix cucumber and potato until smooth. Use fingertips to apply on clean under-eye skin, massaging very gently in circular motions. Leave on 20 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Use fingertips to gently massage coconut oil into under-eye skin. Leave on overnight. In the morning, rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat nightly for at least 2 weeks to observe the change. Then follow the process alternate days for a week. 3. Coconut oil and almond oil. Almond oil nourishes and moisturizes skin to keep it firm and smooth. Mix equal amounts of coconut and almond oil. Use fingertips to gently massage on clean under-eye skin. Leave on overnight. In the morning, rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat nightly to get rid of dark circles. 4. Coconut oil with essential oils. Mix coconut oil with few drops of essential oils like grapeseed, sandalwood, or macadamia oil. Use fingertips to gently massage on clean under-eye skin, rubbing in circular motions. Leave on until oil is completely absorbed. Repeat daily. 5. Coconut oil and turmeric. This process soothes the skin by stimulating the blood flow and moistures the dry skin. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil with 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Use fingertips to apply to dark circles. Leave on 15 minutes or until dry. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Repeat daily. 6. Coconut oil with chickpea flour, lemon juice, and honey. In a blender, mix 1 teaspoon each of warm coconut oil, honey, whole milk, and lemon juice. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour and blend on high until smooth. Apply on clean under-eye skin, massaging very gently in circular motions. Leave on 20 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat 3 times a week. Tips and precautions. For best results, follow the advice below when using coconut oil to reduce the appearance of dark under-eye circles. Always use organic extra virgin coconut oil. Avoid getting coconut oil in your eyes during application. Before starting regular coconut oil treatments, do a patch test to find out if you're allergic to it. Coconut milk can also used instead of coconut oil. Apply on dark circles and massage for few minutes. If dark circles do not begin to fade after a week, consult a doctor as they may indicate a more serious underlying health problem. Get regular exercise, eat a healthy diet, drink plenty of water, and get plenty of sleep.